Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on profit in equities. In this video, we'll be talking about two fundamentally sound, cheap future multi-bagger stocks which Ramesh Damani has highlighted as worth considering due to cheap valuations and high dividend yields. Now both of these are new listings and are available at significant discount to their sector peers. Please watch this video to know more. Now, Ramesh Damani, speaking on a recent television interview, said that he was looking at some of the PSU stocks and in particular the newly listed railway sector stocks. He said that he was doing so since there was very little competition and the business always goes to them. They are also very cheap, whether these stocks are looked at either from the price to earnings multiple or dividend yield multiple perspective. Now, looking at the stocks that have recently listed from the same sector, we came across two, and one of them is RITES Limited, which is available at Rs 228.40 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is RITES. Now, RITES Limited is an India-based engineering and consultancy company. The company offers transport infrastructure, consultancy, engineering and project management services. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company had a dream run post-listing. However, since then, it has been on a slide. The company's market cap is 4,568.00 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 19.41 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 11.77 when compared with the industry PE of 17.86. The price to book ratio of 2.08 is also not wildly expensive. The dividend yield is also a decent factor for this particular company and stands at 2.41%. The promoter holding is 87.40% and none of it is pledged. Now the second stock on the list is Aircon International, which is available at Rs 386.85 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is IRCON. Now Aircon International Limited is a construction company which is into the construction of transportation infrastructure. The company's primary charter is the construction of railway projects in India and abroad. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company had a poor listing and a lot of money was lost here. Since then, it corrected in value. However, of late, it has again started to decline. The company has a market capitalization of 3,638.39 crores, which again is the market capitalization of a mid-cap. The EPS of 40.55 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 9.54, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 24.21. The price to book ratio of 0.97 is also very cheap. The company has a dividend yield of 5.29%, which is fabulous for a stock, whereas the promoter holding is also a very strong number at 89.18%. One concerning factor is the high debt to equity at 1.10%. None of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider these to be recommendations on our part. We'll be providing the link to the source for this video in the description section. Also, if you are benefited by the content on this channel, please don't forget to share these videos. This helps the channel grow and motivates us to produce more such content for you in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.